Now today we will see the new chapter, that is kinetics of particle 1. As you know, sigma of force is equal to mass into acceleration. For example, if this is one body, you are applying the force in this direction P. This will be your frictional force mu into n. Weight of the body will be acting in downward direction and reaction will be upward. So acceleration, that will be in the direction of force, that is like this. We are having D'Alembert's principle, sigma of force is equal to mass into acceleration. In the direction of acceleration is p, opposite to that is mu n, and that will be equal to mass into acceleration. This is your one example. Now instead of one body, if there are two boxes, one box is like this, second box is like this, and here I am applying the force P in this direction. Let us consider weight of this body is W1, weight of this body is W2, reaction of this is N2, reaction of this is N1. Between string there is tension. This acceleration and this acceleration is same, because when distance traveled by the body is same, the velocity is same, so acceleration is same. This will be the frictional force mu N1. This is another frictional force mu N2. First of all I am considering this particular body. For this body my expression will be sigma of force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now P is in the direction of acceleration, so P I will take positive. Opposite to that is tension, then opposite to that is mu into N1, that will be equal to mass 1 into acceleration. Similarly, if I consider second body, again I will write sigma of force is equal to mass into acceleration. T is positive, opposite to that is mu n2, that will be equal to mass 2 into acceleration. Now when we will take problem, then you will understand.